Hello, today we have a guest from the USA, a Lexus from 2014. We will install the module, see how it works, and then we will install the Android screen and see how it works. As with any other module, we install and connect it the same way as with other car. We connect it once, we sit down, it automatically switches on, the phone turns on, and we have the CarPlay and Android Auto functions. In this Lexus, with the joystick of this analog stick, we control everything in the menu. There is an indicator above it, it also works. Basically, it does not interfere with the control of any other buttons. Everything that is there, everything can be used. You press it and that's how you control your CarPlay interface. The sound from the phone, when you speak on the phone, the original microphone also works. The music works via the original Bluetooth channel, so that you do not have to turn on the auxiliary 3.5mm connection. In short, you have everything as original, just with added module. As we said in the previous video, with other cars, now we will try the module from this car. We will take it out and maybe, what is more interesting, insert the Android screen into this Lexus and test it. What functions we would have there, what additional functions we would have. So, I think we can take it and go to the Android screen installation. The screen was installed into the Lexus. The original screen has been changed, of course. The plastic part has been changed, which fits this new screen. The screen is really big. The screen is sharp. You can see everything clearly. It's really big, of course. It's fun to look at it and to look at something through it. It has a lot of functions. You can search through Google Play Store for what you want to install. It works the same way as Apple CarPlay. It has Android Auto functions, USB connection. You can upload video files and music. There is navigation. Of course, it might be more convenient to use CarPlay or Android Auto functions when using navigation, but it's however more convenient for people. Everyone uses it differently. And, of course, you can go back to the original Lexus menu. There are two options for this and other Lexus cars. The first option is the module. We integrate it, we go to the original system. You get CarPlay, Android Auto function and then USB. There are a few more functions. Or we add this screen and then you have unlimited functions. You can download the programs you want. CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, USB input, play and so on. Additional benefit is that you get a much larger screen, better resolution, a larger screen that is more convenient to look at and control. But it's up to you. Look at what you want. Either this or that. But I would definitely recommend to change because the car can do more. That's all for this time. And if you have any questions, write them or comment.